Welcome. In PowerPoint, you can easily adjust the transparency of your pictures and images. Select the picture to modify. Go to the Picture Format tab. In the Adjust group, expand Transparency. Select one of the presets to apply effect. Right-click the picture and select Format Picture. Click the picture icon. Under Picture Transparency, move the slider to the left or right to adjust the transparency. You can also type a custom value to adjust the effect. Go to the Picture Format tab. In the Adjust group, click Reset Picture.